Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to switch from HubSpot, Zoho, or Agile CRM to EngageBay? In this video, I'll show you the free way to migrate your contacts, deals, and data. First, you'll need to export your data from your old CRM. In HubSpot, Zoho, or Agile, go to the Contacts or Deals section and look for an export function. Export your lists as CSV files. Now, log into your new EngageBay account. Go to the CRM module and click Contacts. Click the Import button. Download the sample CSV file to see the exact format EngageBay needs. Open your exported CSV file in a spreadsheet editor like Google Sheets. Match your column headers to EngageBay's format, like first name, email, company. Save the edited file. Back in EngageBay, upload your formatted CSV. The system will preview the data and let you map the columns. Click Import, and your contacts will start populating. Repeat this process for deals by going to the Sales module and using the Import option there. For emails and notes, you might need to use a manual process or a tool like Zapier on a free plan to connect the two systems during a transition period. And that's it. With careful CSV exports and imports, you can move your core data to EngageBay without losing history or missing a beat. If you migrate successfully, let me know which CRM you switched from in the 30 floors, which CRM you switched from in the comments. See you in the next one.